morning. This is Mark Sebastian, the founder of OptionPit.com, and welcome to the Option Pit Volatility Report. So what's going on today? Well, after yesterday's massive rally, we're seeing a little bit of easing off. And, not surprised. I mean, we had a massive rally. But what you'll notice is even though we're off a little bit, just a touch, not really a lot of movement in VIX, like none. Not a lot of movement in either of the VIX futures. So I think things are going to be kind of priced this way into the weekend. You might see a little bit of a rise, toward the end of the day and then into Monday morning, where we actually could see an actual increase in volatility. But kind of across the board, expect today to be relatively slow and volatility to be relatively light. And a movement of plus or minus 5 points would not surprise me. In ridiculous valuations news, Shake Shack is $1.7 billion, and that prices each franchise at about $40 million. Makes perfect sense. We continue to see, and if you think Shack is if you want an example of what can happen to a name like Shack, watch the pattern of GoPro. I think Shack's going to fall the same way, except Shack will end up at $15. Bonds are off a touch this morning, but not much. And as you can see, like I said, really the weakness is in oil stocks, and that's what's pulling everything down. Exxon, Chevron, all those names have just kind of slowly sunk with oil, so they've chased oil lower. Another area where I think that we could continue to see weakness is in the rails. And we had a nice rally yesterday, but UNP is still looking kind of weak, and that would be a name that I think could really, coming off the highs of near 120, I think it can make a run down toward like 105. I mean that's type of move. The one that the big outperformer is the Russell 2000. Russell 2000 has been crushing it. It was at new all-time highs yesterday and the day before, and has not had some of the real ugliness that the rest of the market has had. So that in particular is kind of interesting. Follow along with that one, and watch that volatility premium. Aside from that, like I said, I expect the day to be slow. One thing that's interesting, VXTYN going into this Fed meeting has started to ease off. So that's that's options on the 10-year. So the idea that maybe we're going to make a run at 2.5 or 3 seems a little seems out of the current realm of belief. All right, folks. On that note, if you got questions, you can email me mark@optionpit.com. You can call me 888-TRADE-01. I hope everybody has a great day, and I will talk to you soon.